To manage notifications in REDnote app, first we need to open this app, navigate to the Me section and click on the gear icon next to your profile. That way we'll be able to find notification settings, and there's plenty of them. First one is like and collect, that you can activate or deactivate, new followers, comments and mentions. Then there's the chat notifications. If you select that, you can also turn them on and off for private chat, group chat, or strangers. There's also option for content notification, and here we have follow the author for, and you can allow it or not. There's live reminders that you can also enable or disable. There's content recommendations that you can switch to all, interesting content only, community hotspot only, do not allow it, or you can adjust push notifications. And here's the Chinese notes that I cannot read, so sorry I can't explain that. Next is the recommended users, and you can switch to all, only people I may know, only people I may like, or do not allow it. There's also store notifications for shopping and after sale, and in-app notifications that you can manage between live reminders and messages. And that is basically everything.